2010 Nissan XTERRA, four-wheel drive, off-road edition. We did a full system on it. Put two brand new catalytic converters, high flows, and then two secondary catalytic converters, high flow also. Then we did a Y pipe setup into a Magnaflow 14-inch body muffler, and then a 2.5-inch tailpipe, or inch tip, rolled edge. Came out really beautiful and nice. Hope you guys like it. Here she is. Here's you guys about to hear it. Sounds really nice. So high flow cats give it a really deep tone with the 2.5-inch tailpipe and muffler setup.